Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Premiere Pro absolutely for free. So for downloading that software on your computer, first press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store. So here you can see Microsoft Store is showing. Now open this software. Now here you can see this is loading. So now on the search bar, search here Adobe Premiere Pro. So let me search. So here you can see there is no app. Adobe Premiere Pro is showing. So how to download that software? So now again search here Adobe Creative Cloud. So here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud is showing. So now click on it. And here you can see as I have already installed the software. So this is showing as open. So in your case, you have to install this software. So after downloading, you have to open this software. So here you can see I have opened this software. So you have to create an account into Adobe Creative Cloud. So after creating an account on the home screen, this screen will show. So now search here into the Adobe Creative Cloud search bar, Adobe Premiere. So here you can see Adobe Premiere is showing. Now search here and just wait. So now here you can see Adobe Premiere is showing. Now click on it. So now here by clicking on free trial, you can start your free trial and use the software absolutely for free. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.